Hello followers. Today we are going to see the topic Oracle regular expression. If we are working on reporting project, then if you are not aware of the regular expression, then you are most frequently struggling with our normal single row functions like in string, substring, and replace. If you have good understanding of this single row functions, then you can easily learn the regular expression. So instead of using multiple single row function, using one regular expression, you can finish that search. Okay, you can do tremendous intelligent search using regular expression. Okay, so let's start with the concepts. Okay, so it's pattern regular expression is a pattern used to identify or manipulate text based on rules. Okay, text based pattern we can manipulate and identify using the regular expression. Okay, so it's useful when normal string functions such as like, in string, substring, or replace are not sufficient for complex pattern matching. So if the pattern is complex, then we can go with um, regular expression. Okay, main Oracle regular expression function. First one is regular expression Regex like. Okay, so it's find string match the pattern. The particular string matching or not, we will search using regular expression like. It's only used in the bare condition. Okay, condition based. Okay, next one is regular expression substring. So it's extract the matching pattern. So how the substring work? Similar way, it's work exact pattern search. Okay, to identify exact pattern. So regular expression in string, returns position of the matching pattern. So it's return the position. Okay, so in string how we return the position? Similar way, but intelligent search, and we can identify the position. Okay, replace, it's a similar way, but we can do the intelligent search and we can replace. Okay, regular expression count, so it's directly without using length and all, directly we can count how many times it's occurred the pattern. So okay, so it's a way, it's a handy. Okay, just I created one temp or a one table, then I inserted few records. Okay, so but most of the time developer or freshers, they get confused because they are not having proper understanding of meta characters. If they have the proper understanding of meta character and the functions like in string, substring, replace, then it's very easy to understand. Okay, so if you are not having the understanding of like, in string, substring, you can go through my video, then get some good understanding. Okay, then regular expression, the characters, the meta character understanding. Okay, if we are mentioning in the searching this symbol, it's beginning of the string. Okay, if we mention this, it's beginning of the string. If you mention this dollar, then it's end of the string. Dot, it's any single character we will mention as dot. Star, it's zero or more occurrence. Okay, star mention, it's zero or more occurrence. Plus it's one or more occurrence. See, if it is star is zero or more, it's one or more occurrence. Okay, question mark, it's zero or one occurrence. Okay, so mostly people get confused within this three pattern. So make sure this plus is one or more, question mark is zero or one. Okay, so if within the square bracket, it's either or. So any one of this character, if matching, it will display. Okay, if 0 to 9, it's the range 0 to 9, any number, any digit, we can put it this way. Okay, any capital letter, uppercase A to Z, we can put it this way. Smaller case, smaller A to Z, lower case. Okay, anything expect digit, you can put this cap, and 0 to 9, then anything expect this number. Okay, all the character, it will fetch. Okay, N, it's exact. If in the curly braces, if you are putting the number, it's exact count. If you want uh, fetch exact count, then we use N. Okay. If you want fetch range base, then N comma N. So between this range, you want to between N and M occurrence, then you can use this range. Okay. Bracket. This is subgrouping. Now, this one sub. If you want to do multiple grouping, then you use this bracket. It's a grouping or capturing the group. Okay. This pipe symbol, it's OR operator. Okay. So let's begin with the practical. Okay. So just I am going to take first query. Okay. So this one. So see if we run. So now what I am running in the where class regular expression, the column which we are going to search starting with A. So it's Arun Kumar starting with A. That's why it's fetching the. So instead of A, if we remove A, then it's like anywhere. It's a capital A anywhere. Okay. But our data, it's case sensitive. Okay. So A is case sensitive. If we are not using the IRC, see, we have this many this customer name, but with the capital A only Ravi Kumar, Arun Kumar is there. That's why it's fetching only Arun Kumar. If you want to ignore case, then you have to give one more expression I. So I, if you give I, then it will ignore the casing. Then you will get all the um, customer name having any one of the letter A anywhere. A. It's like how percentage, like percentage A percentage anywhere A. That's the way it will work. Okay. Ignore casing I. If you want to make it case sensitive, it will be C. If you put C, then it's a case sensitive. Okay. Default it's C only. Okay. The casing we can. That's the way it will work. Okay. If you want to, so sometimes you want to search not only A, if you want search K also. So if you see R operator, if pipe means it's R, you want to any one of capital A or capital K, those name. So here A, Arun Kumar, capital K, we have Kumar here, Ravi Kumar, the Kumar is K. Okay. So that's the way it's coming to. So that's the way you want to do multiple search, you can pipe it. Okay, this is the or operator. Okay, if normal like you have to like write two times, right? A or percentage or so to avoid that you can use the pipe. Okay, so sometimes what you can do if you are some spelling mismatch, okay, that time you want to search if you want to search, you can do the pipe and you can search it out. Okay. Next. So ending. So this is the ending. So here I am doing the search of ending with Kumar. This dollar symbol denotes that ending with Kumar, the search. Okay, so these are the two names ending with Kumar. Okay, next, email address. So if you want to exact some email address, okay, email address verification. So people get scared while seeing um the pattern. Okay, but thing is, if you have good understanding of meta character and class, it will be easy to understand. Let's explain how it will. Okay, see now. um See now here first. See here, start with. This is the first symbol, start with. Okay, start the string. Okay, from this square bracket to here, this is the first group. Okay, first group, what they are saying, it can be capital A to Z, smaller a to Z, 0 to 9, dot underscore percentage plus or minus. This pattern here they are putting plus. Plus means one or more occurrence. This combination can come one or more occurrence. That's what this plus is mentioned. Okay. Now we got clarity till here. After this at. Okay. After that. Okay. After that, what this is one more group. Okay, what they are doing here also same thing. A to Z capital, A to Z smaller, 0 to 9 dot hyphen. These are the after the at. Okay, after the at we won't get special symbol, right? We will be having only the A to capital letters or numbers or dot or hyphen. Okay, so that's the way here second. Then so this is forward slash is escape sequence. See some meta character as part of the string. So if you want to mention it, you can use for slash to identify. Okay, here dot. After the dot, what they are saying. This is one more thing. Okay, so capital A to Z or small a to Z is 2 or more. So 2 comma more. Okay, the ending. So minimum 2 characters. So it may be dot in, dot com. So that's why they are saying minimum 2 character in the end. Okay, after the dot, this is. So that's the way they are checking the email address. Okay, so if you have a good understanding of this meta character, okay, so this meta character, then you can easily understand the pattern. Okay, so first understand this meta character, then you can do the analysis. Okay, that's the way it will be easy. So okay, that's the way here it's coming. So now this is the so now for understanding I will split it and show it. Okay, this okay. So now if you see here, first this one pattern, then this one pattern, then here after the dot one pattern this. Okay, so starting, then first before at whatever, this is the pattern. After the at, this is the pattern. After the dot, this is the pattern. That's the way the mail ID is. So whenever you want to see segregate, just find the data, then what are the combination available. So based on that, you can write the logic. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here one more pattern for. So phone number exact 10 digit we should have it, right? How to validate that? So starting from 0 to 9, the number it should be 0 to 9, exact 10 digit. Okay, 10 digit, exact 10 digit in the end. Okay, till the end it should be exact 10 digit. Okay, within curly brace. So if this any one of having the more than 10 digit, then those record will be won't count. Okay, we got 3 records. Let's see any other records. See some letter, so it's having only 5. So this is a wrong phone number. Those won't be coming into the result. Okay, so the 3 is the so this one is having the more. Okay, those are not coming. So extract because it's having underscore. Okay, that's why. So when you want to validate the phone number, your phone number is correct or not, using this pattern, you can directly you can search it, identify it. Okay, this is the phone number. Okay, so 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 if you want to search um uh, beginning with 6 7 8 9, this uh, letter numbers, then you can go start with 6 to 9, then it can be 0 to 9, then 9 digit. Okay, then ending with 9 digit. This is the way. If you want search starting something, then you can put the symbol and whatever you want to search it, that one you can put it in the curly brace. Okay, so this is for like. Okay, so Next, substring. Okay, substring, what we'll do, we want to fetch uh, exact uh, string. Okay, so here this is the string, literal string I gave. In that I want to only uh, take the numbers. Okay, so what I am putting, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, anything, any numbers. So plus means one or more. So any digit we have one or more, then take it out. Okay, then those exact value, it's 19. So we am fetching that's only digit. Okay, so just you, if you have metadata understanding, then it's easy to uh, fetch the exact character. Okay, so just this first, either or I'm putting only digit 0 to 9, then fetch the particular one. If it can be 0 or more occurrence. Oh, sorry, one or more occurrence. Okay, not zero. Question is one, 0 or one. Okay, this is a one example. Okay, so first word. If you want to exact the first word, so this is the pattern. Okay, so if you see here, so A to Z, it can be smaller A to Z or capital A to Z. Plus mean, so it's one or more occurrence. So after the first word we have a space, right? So so it will be taking only this letter. Okay, see, it's very exact. Okay, so if you give starting also good, fine, but if you want to do this one, so before oracle we don't have any space, right? So it's a good way to cut the first word. Okay, okay, so now this is the values fetch. Okay, extract fetch value. So this way also we can see. Now here if you see, we have with the comma separated, we have four values: Oracle, SQL, PLSQL, Python. Okay, here what I am doing, starting. Okay, first comma means here. So then one or more occurrence. Okay, one or more occurrence. Then I am after that I am posting where, from where I have to search it, starting position. From starting position I want to search it, and I want to take the first button. Okay, first group. Okay, that's the way it will come the oracle. Okay, see. So here, so this is the parameter. So first is source string and pattern. So which pattern we are going to search it, then position, when which position and occurrence. Okay, first occurrence we are. Okay, this the way we identify and we fetch it. Okay, so this is the uh, source string. This is the pattern. Then position, starting from the starting. This first occurrence. Okay, this is the first occurrence. Okay. Okay, if you want to do second occurrence, then two. So it's a second occurrence. SQL. Okay, that's the way. First identify the pattern, then you can when it's occur the occurrence, then it's the last parameter. Okay, that's the way. Okay, second occurrence, third occurrence, we can go on. Okay, so it's depends on your requirement. First identify the pattern, then which one you want, then extract exactly what. Okay. Next one is replace. Remove the numbers. See, in this string, if you want to remove, so example in your project, if you want to remove numbers from the string, okay, what we are doing, how first we are identifying number digit 0 to 9. Okay, then what we are doing, we are not doing anything, just we are replacing with null. Okay, we find identified and we are not doing any operation, means replace, what will happen, it will remove it, right? Similar way, it's identify, searching, and we are removing it. Okay, so search, we searched 0 to 9, then we are not doing any operation, we are ignoring it. Okay, it's empty. Okay, so remove special character. Most of the time, you will get the scenario how to remove the special character. This is the one. Okay, see, now A to Z, and capital A to Z, smaller A to Z, and 0 to 9. Then you find all this, then space also you find it, then remain, we are not doing anything, just replace it with null. Okay, see, now all the special symbols are removed. Okay, that's the way we can remove the special character. Okay, next, extra space. Most of the interviews we will get this question: how to remove the extract? We have more spaces. How to remove it? Just space plus means what? One or more. Identify one or more space and replace with one space. Okay, this is the interview question. Most of the interviews you will get. So identify multiple space and replace with single space. Okay, space, the meta character plus denotes one or more space. Okay, identify one or more space, replace with this. Okay, this is the most important scenario. Okay, then it replaces with, okay. Okay, so which shows some empty space. This is the class also, you can use it. So space, this is the class. So this is the one or more. So this class also you can use and you can clean the data. From the data, if you want to leave multiple space to single space, then you can use this space class also. Okay. Okay, data masking. See, this also some scenario. So you in your see, in phone number last four digit only you can see, remaining all with stars, right? The masked phone number. So that one also we can do it using regression response. How we are doing? So this is one subgrouping, right? Within the bracket. This one subgrouping. Okay. First, what we are doing? First subgrouping, we are identifying 0 to 9. So curly braces exact six digit. First six digit one group we are extracting. Next one 0 to 9, 4. Exact 4. This is the second subgroup. Okay. This is the second subgroup. Okay. What we are doing? First subgrouping six digit, right? Six with stars. So after forward slash, whatever we are mentioning, it's second group. So it once it's the first group, this is the second group. So when we come to the regular expression grouping, each one it will denotes the number group. Okay, one it's second group. So what happened? This first group it's masked with six stars. The second group will be directly we are keeping it. Okay, that's the way we can do the masking. Okay, so if you see the credit card, debit card, last four digit only we'll see, right? Those masking we can do it using regular expression replace. Okay. So regular expression instinct. Okay. See. Instinct. Okay. Let's just go with this. Okay. Now, if you see database, which position? Okay. So it's eighth position. Why? Here, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 space. So one position. So after that, it's eight. Okay. That's why exact position we can use identify using this in-string. So regular expression in-string. You want to identify the position of the string, then you can use this one. Okay. So here, so if you see here, 19C, if you want the number position, then 0 to 9. So 0 or 1 occurrence, where is exactly number is present. This is the position, eighth position, it's accurate. Okay, it's a regular expression string. Regular expression count. So if you want to identify the count, how many time occurred this particular pattern using this count, your regression count. So you see here, so oracle is a search string. This is the oracle how many times? It's a three times. Okay, there is the count. This pattern occurs. So casing. So if you want to ignore the casing, then you can go with I. Okay, so it's mentioned. So capital Oracle or small Oracle, it's fine. So ignore the casing. Okay, so it's always where class, right? Regular expression, it should be only used in the where class, not in the select class. Okay. See, now it's always in the where class. So Gmail, so if a capital or smaller, it should be note. So that's the case, it's coming here. No casing. So Gmail, it's small only. If it's capital also, it will ignore and it will bring the email address. Okay. Uh, okay, if you want to extract only number, you can use this digit class. Digit, it's number, you can use digit class, then you can fetch it only numbers. Okay, 0 or 1 occurrence, the digit. This is the class either or. So first either or, then digit class. Okay, so this is some uh, scenario. If you want to fetch, okay, so cust hyphen, then you also you in your pattern customer ID, it's coming as this way. Then what you can do after hust hyphen, so 0 to 9, any number, then one or more, then cut it. Then we can able to cut the wherever the customer ID present. Okay, so that's the way customer ID. So data cleaning we use ETL, this one. Okay. So extract domain from email. So here extracting domain from email, just after at dot, so 0 or more occurrence dollar in the end. Okay, that's the way. And in that they are fetching the first occurrence. Okay, that's the way. Their email only the domain we can extract. So gmail.com, this is the um, first occurrence. Okay. So username from the email. So starting this one before at this one. Okay. This one used to extract only username. It's okay. Before at whatever the username, that one. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar number formatting. This one also one good scenario. See if you see here. See Aadhaar card number. This is where if you want to um, add some space in between the numbers after 4 digit. So what we are doing, we are putting into three grouping. 1, 2, 3, 4 group. Three grouping. So it's become first group, second group, third group. Okay. So what forward slash here, then it will be first group. After that one space, then second group, one space, and third group. Okay, then ending. Okay. So that's the way we can. Sorry. Understanding is this way. See, we see here. So now you see now we are able to add. So if the formatting and all, we use this one. Okay. So if you want to add in between any um, uh, underscore or hyphen, then you can use similar line. So first identify the pattern, then whatever you want to do it. So here we added. That's the way credit card formatting. This all we will do this using the regular expression. Okay. So it's the one. Okay, let's go with uh, interview. Okay, interview point of view the questions. Okay, Um, so what is regular expression? The pattern used to search, validate, extract, replace, or manipulate text based on specific rules. Okay. If you want to do intelligent text-based search, validate, extract, replace, manipulate, you can use regular expression. Okay. What is regular expression like? It checks whether the string is matched specified regular expression pattern. Okay. It's check if it's matching or not. Okay. Difference between regular expression substring and regular expression in string. Substring, it's return the matching text. In string, it return position of the matching text. Okay. How do you extract number from the string? So using regular expression substring 0 to 9, that's plus symbol. It's number of extract numbers from the string. Okay. It's 0 or 1. How do you validate email? We already saw that formatting and I gave the explanation also. Okay, this is the way we can check it. How to validate n-digit phone number? Using this. Regular expression right 0 to 9, then exact within the curly braces exact with ND. How do you remove the special character? So this one. So the from the beginning, this is numbers or character. If just to replace with empty space. Okay. So replacing multiple space, just first put the space one or more using this meta character, then replace with simple single space if needed. If you want, you can ignore it. Null. Okay. What is use of start and question dollar and question mark? This symbol represent beginning of the string, while dollar represents end of the string. Okay. It's a beginning and dollar represent end. Okay. What is the difference between star plus and question mark? This is very important one. Star means 0 or more. Plus means 1 or more. Question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence. Okay. This is the key. Most of the time we will get confusion here only. Okay. What is the capturing group? So if you pattern enclosed with the parenthesis, that is the group. Okay. Then we can manipulation we can use directly using forward slash first group, second group. That's the way. Okay. What is the purpose of 1, 2? This is refers first and second capture the groups. Whatever the groups we capture, that one we can directly access using this forward slash 1, forward slash 2, that particular group. Okay. How do you perform case insensitive matching? Using I. So if you in the pattern regular expression like if you mention I, then it's the function it will. Okay. So class, we have some POSIX class. This predefined characters pattern search. Okay, if you want to search only digit, you can use this. Alpha, you can use this. Alpha numeric, this one. Space, this one. Okay, what is regular expression count? If you want to count the particular pattern, you can use regular expression. Okay, so most of the time you will get introduced. These are the questions. Okay, so only this one we didn't saw the example for question quantifier. So this one 0 or 1 occurrence. Example, if we have this pattern, right? So if you question it, if one optional, if you want to search like optional 0 or 1, then you can go with this one. Okay. So example here in this color, before color, last will be R before anything. So okay, 0 or 1, then you can print it. Okay. So previous character is optional. So then that's the way it can be 0 times 1. If you want to check like optional, then you can go with this question mark quantifier. Okay. That's it. I want to share it. Okay, other non-formatter issue. I think it's some pretty lengthy video, but it's worth watching. If you watch this complete video, you will be having the complete understanding of regular expression, and you will get very good understanding. And if you are working on reporting project, you can do intelligent search once you have good understanding of regular expressions. Okay, please watch it uh, end to end and try to give practice once in your system. Okay, then you will be having good idea. Okay, thank you so much for viewing the channel and this video. Please subscribe it, share it with your friends. Please share your feedback and comments. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe it. It will motivate me create more videos on interview topics, SQL, PLSQL, performance tuning. Okay, thank you.